Hey Alex,
At
where are we at?
Frattocchie,
Frattocchie. What's special about here?
there's a McDonald's.
There is a McDonald's here. And what's under the McDonald's?
There's a road.
There is a road under the McDonald's. It is an old, here I'll pan around, an old Roman road that they found or was known when they built the McDonald's.
I think that was kind of known, but they excavated it.
We need to reread the signs. But yeah, we think it was kind of known that it was here, but then as they're excavating for the McDonald's, which is right above us, that they McDonald's came in here and
They made a museum.
made a museum of it. They preserved the road, which is kind of cool in that. So along the road, they found like 3 corpses here. So that's kind of neat along the road. So most likely, their moms, you know how moms are and
Yeah.
dads, where they think their kids are dead in a ditch somewhere. Yeah, that's what happened. Mm-hmm. Anything else you want to say about it?
We had some good food. We had McDonald's food.
I did have typical McDonald's food, thinking, hey, Italy would have something different, but no, just normal McDonald's food.
It's McDonald's.
Mm-hmm. Sunday burger.
Yeah.
Yeah. French fries.
French fries.
They did have bacon on the French
Yeah,
fries.
bacon French fries.
That is true. Bacon cheese French fries.
Bacon trees French fries.
That's right. Very nice.
Very nice.
All right.
All right.
Bye, everybody.